I don't look fresh at all, bro. Yeah, I'm fucking tired. I'm sore. I'm bit everything. my body's aching. First 3 days back to gym after like 16, 18 months hiatus. But
we're turning into Ziz, Project Ziz.
Yeah, Jizz. Classic Jizz.
What are we doing today, lad?
Today's actually somewhat exciting actually, because about 2 months ago we hosted a giveaway for reaching 2k subs. 2 winners. First prize was like a $200 kind of spending spree on the Fortune store. His IG was J Kid Zenki, so it was some guy that owned a blue Stanta Zenki from Melbourne.
Yeah,
from Melbourne. He won that. Coincidentally, a really nice car actually won the giveaway. I don't give a shit what anyone says. You can say it's
it's fake.
It's fake. It's this and that. It's a bloody giveaway. It cost you nothing. There's going to be plenty more that came from anyways, so you guys will have your opportunities to win some more free shit from us anyways. But
second prize,
which was the giveaway for Dom.
He won a $500 photo shoot, so stills and rollers.
Yeah, by yours truly.
Which is pretty much why we're here.
Yeah, we get to go finally meet him. Kind of show a whole POV of what your man behind the camera gets up to.
And then also find out a little bit about his car and...
Yeah, anyways, we're just waiting for Faz. Hopefully he's actually on the way.
Yeah, waiting for Big Faz. I haven't seen him in a minute.
He's our third person. I wonder how much size he's gained now. The last time I saw him, he's put on 15 kilos.
That's not Project Ziz, bro. That's Project fucking Ronnie Coleman.
Good morning.
Is this bloke ever on time, bro?
5 minutes late. better than 2.
Let's crack it.
What's happening? We on?
Let's go shoot a S15 now.
Let's do it.
You've come to slave labour and hold the camera. Be useful for once.
I'll do it.
That looks nice here, man. Hello, sir. How are we?
Good, how are you?
Yeah. Let's crack it.
Welcome. See you again.
You too.
Let's get you parked up here, and then you can come out and...
This is the winner of the giveaway. We're finally doing it.
Bruce rigged it.
Yeah.
But how come it was someone you knew? What's that about, bro? Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
I know everyone, bro. I know everyone.
Come this way, come this way. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, sick. The colour looks really nice there.
No, mate.
Should have brought your car, lad.
Yeah, it's exactly. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Bring Bruce's car.
Fuck, it looks good. It's like a Windows wallpaper, bro. Everyone, the winner.
Hey, look at the jumper. It's very good.
Yeah, hard.
My mum says I'm spitting.
Alright, we're gonna switch over to the Osmo. Where the fuck's it? Typically when I shoot, I like to shoot. I've got a bad boy lens. 28 to 70. So we're gonna swap over. No one judge.
When you see that lens, it's...
And then I'm gonna swap over from cigarettes to a vape. Yeah?
And then also one important thing, if I can find it, when shooting cars, CPL.
What's that you say?
CPL is a polarizer. It's good for shooting cars because cars are like reflective as fuck.
Okay.
And it helps cut reflections. And then one...
So that would help during, like, say, sunlight, harsh sunlight.
No, even like on his car now. Because if you look at his car now, see how his bonnet's like glassy and like white, and the front windshield.
It actually looks good there, eh?
Yeah, it does. But pretty much a CPL just cuts out the reflections and shows the colour better. Yeah.
Understood.
Right, I'm gonna go do some magic. These cunts can talk shit.
I actually haven't looked at this car full close up properly, eh?
Bro, the colour looks sick in camera.
Bro, look at that!
If you didn't know, this car's actually wrapped, and he actually wrapped it himself.
Did you actually? Yeah. So what was the colour before?
Pewter grey.
Pewter grey.
So many fucking pewter 15s.
Bruh. I can see why you got over the pewter grey 15.
Oh, it was blue before, that's cap.
It was blue for a bit.
Yeah,
I wrapped it.
Oh, so it was blue. Yeah, like you wrapped it blue and then you wrapped it pink.
For about 6 months.
Yeah.
And then
how long has it been pink now? Or whatever. What is this, bro?
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
That's what they call it, at least.
How long did it take you to? Hey Dom, how long did it take you to wrap the car?
4, 5.
And what was the hardest part about wrapping this car?
Front bumper.
Yeah, front bar, or the quarter panel, I'd say, because it's one full piece quarter panel all the way around, and it's very like.
Did that quarter panel start from the A pillar, or did it cut off? Yeah, would I from this whole A pillar? Yeah, it would have done like Dom's car. Yeah, there's no way. Pretty seamless though.
That's gangster.
What is it? Does it say Fortune? Oh no.
That's sick.
How long have you had the car for?
About 3 years this year.
3 years. And you've gone, and in 3 years you've gone through 2 color changes.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah,
Usually
not
wrap
bad.
doesn't last like crazy long.
Track feels the same, cuz.
Nah, I wouldn't suit my car.
So Dom, you sound young.
Yeah.
How old are you again?
20.
You're 20. Oh, is this always like your dream car? Like you always wanted a 15? Or did this just like coincidentally happen?
It's, I don't know, just I found out these were people illegal. So
Yeah. And you had this 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Is it still people illegal?
Yeah.
Nowadays?
As far as I know, yeah.
I don't understand how these are still people illegal. I remember we were on our Ps. They were like, yeah, they're legal, then they're not, then they are.
Yeah,
Then
but
they're not.
You're a dinosaur. The thing is, the laws have been the same for a while now. It only changed when, you and Freddie Flintstone jumped off.
If it wasn't for the 15, what would have been like the car that you would have bought instead? Or your personal preference?
Well, I had a Miata before,
Yep.
and that still kind of want one, but that
Yeah.
might be something. Or
So if, say, someone offered to buy this off you today,
yeah,
the first car that comes to mind is a Miata. You'd jump into a Miata.
Oh, probably an FDR7.
Yeah. Hey. Hey, you're going for sale.
Alright, because these donkeys are doing what they're doing, I'm going to show you what a CPL does. So this is pretty much without the CPL. If you see how the windscreen is like blown out, if I twist the CPL, it cuts that reflection out and makes the colour look so much better, especially when you come up like for detail shots. It just makes such a big difference. But yeah, that's a fucking #1 tip for shooting cars, because they're pretty much big mirrors and reflectors, so CPL is a must. When it comes to shooting a car, there's a lot of angles that you can take. What I like to do, I like to pretty much start wide, so I'll do kind of like a lap around the car, take like quarter shots, 3/4 shots, front on shots, side shots, and then I'll go in and do like details, so badges, wheels, interior, and yeah, just kind of play around with it. Sometimes you can fall into the habit of taking the same shots for every car. I think just take your time with it, walk around, see the different angles each car has, and kind of capture like the special parts of each car. So like for Dom's car, I know his wheels, I love chrome wheels, they shoot very well, they look good on camera, so getting cool angles of that, and then like his rear wing, so like getting different angles of that kind of from the rear. But yeah, kind of just do a lap around the car and see what you can play with. Damn, this colour looks so good. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to shooting this thing, and then once we're done, we'll go do some rollers, and I'll explain how I kind of do those. Try not to give away too much of my magic.
Now, when I look at your car, Dom, I'm like, there isn't much more I would or could do besides, say, minor aesthetics that would fit my taste. Do you have anything, do you have planned that you want to do to it?
Yeah, just little things.
Yeah.
Like Starlight headliner.
Yep.
I just got an engraver, so I want to like start engraving stuff.
Oh yeah.
So maybe like mirrors,
Interesting.
Maybe stuff in the engine bay or something.
Nice.
Alright, I'm pretty happy with front photos. Can we turn the car around?
Yeah.
Just face it in the same direction.
Yeah.
So front facing that way. He's talking shit, but you're doing your job.
Not enough, bro.
Yeah.
Closing the door at 4:30.
Okay.
Thanks, boss.
Thank you. Come again.
Are you fucking talking shit, or are you doing your job, bro?
Talking shit is my job.
Yeah,
you know?
we'll see when I
That's
get the
what
footage,
do.
bro.
No.
Yeah, exactly right.
Plenty, bro.
Auto gate opening time. Oh, it does close at 4:30.
Ooh. Should we? What do we do?
Rocks.
I could take him to the rock.
Nah, we'll just do rollers.
just
Oh, let me take a couple photos of the rear and then we'll go. Alright, I'll be quick. Alright, let's go! Otherwise we're getting fucking locked out. Alrighty, we had to get out of there real quick because the gates were closing at 4:30, you didn't know. But it's alright, we got enough stills. You'll probably see some on the screen, I'll chuck them on. But we're going to do some rollers now. Have you done rollers before?
Not really, no.
Alright, we'll jump onto the M4, stay in the left lane.
Yeah.
Just do the speed limit, and pretty much all you have to do is like keep the same gap as us. But I'll hang out the window and I'll tell you like if you need to come up or anything.
Yeah.
We'll probably go westbound, so towards like Blue Mountains, because there's probably less traffic. And then we'll take an exit, we'll come back, do a U-turn.
Yeah.
Gun? Beautiful. Alright, let's go.
So we've just finished taking the stills of Dom's S15, and then now we're gonna go do rollers with this man out the window again,
You're gonna hang out.
risking his fucking life for content.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
We're going a bit red hot today, we're going no strap.
No strap, baby.
So-
Strapless.
I'm holding on for dear life.
Fucking oath.
Usually I like to use a neck strap, because then you can kind of hold on and it's more secure.
Yep.
But we're raw dogging it today.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's fucking hope no cameras fall.
We're pulling up. No Kevlar, no helmet.
That's it.
Bring her in. Bring her in. Now that you've completed the first set of rollers,
Right.
how does it feel doing a strapless?
It's so sketchy.
Yeah?
But there's fucking traffic, bro.
And how windy is it? Feels like 50 gusts an hour or what?
Bro. But nah, it looks good. But we're gonna do a U-turn and go back the other way.
Yeah,
Get
try
some
to go for
more
a second
photos.
round. Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, it looks pretty
I'm gonna
gangster.
keep them blurry so they have to actually look at that.
Yeah, gangster. Alrighty. That's that.
That was good. Besides that,
Good
bum ass traffic for a Saturday evening, which
Yeah.
we weren't expecting.
Oh, no,
You can never just stay home when we're trying to shoot. Far out.
How was that?
Yeah, pretty good.
Wow, the traffic was a bit crap,
Hit a
but
bump over there and I heard some
oh, you're
noises,
kidding.
like just
Oh.
before we turned in. I don't know what I heard.
Is it alright?
I've got no idea, right?
I mean, the photos turned out pretty cool, so I guess that's all that matters. Oh, what's happened? Photo shoot gone wrong.
You just compared it to what? You hear a sound?
Yeah, I hit a bump real hard right before we turned and
Probably just bumped the bottom down.
yeah, probably.
Must have, yeah.
Ah, should be right. Appreciate you coming out.
you
Appreciate
very
you answering the giveaway.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Appreciate the support always. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, he's also got the, oh, it's on the other
On
side.
the other side.
Fortune sticker.
Like, you know what? I gotta ask you this: when you enter the giveaway, because I've seen your name come up, you support the page a lot,
Yeah.
and with us, it never goes unnoticed with us, right? Did you even expect a single chance of a win? Like, you know, or you were just like, you know what, just do it, just support and just see how it goes.
Bit of both. Didn't really think
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
And I followed you for years. I think probably even before I had the car.
Yeah.
What do you think of Bruce's shitbox?
Sort of hot for the last couple of years ago. I loved it.
Loved it. Cab.
My biggest hater, bro.
But hey, look, there's one to give away. Personally, I think it was a better price, but that's just biased.
I think so too. Honestly, I think so too. Because to get him to shoot your car
Costs
for
money,
stills,
Yeah, hard.
for rollers, it doesn't matter. It costs money, and it's not a shit job either. So.
No, I'm keen to see how these turn out.
Nice.
The wrap looks really good. You can suck me off later, it's alright. Alright, we'll leave you to it, you can head home. Appreciate you. I'll let you know when the photos are done.
Will do.
And yeah, you'll see this on the YouTube.
On the YouTubes. I mean YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe.
And that's that.
That's that. That was
That's
pretty
a wrap.
enjoyable.
Some of that.
Reminds me of that guy on the bike. Fucking. What is
Alright,
well, that's that.
giveaway wrapped up.
Giveaway for 2K done. 3K next. I don't know what you want. You tell me what you want. But to get to 3K, for you to even, for us to even consider anything, you guys need to like, comment, subscribe, because we give shit away for free. It doesn't cost you anything. What's a click? What's a tap? What's a grab? It costs you nothing, right? Besides a bit of dignity, but it is what it is. Dom was the nicest and coolest guy. We're glad someone like him won the giveaway. But till next time, we out.